Hello students. Students, in this video, first of all, we will recall what we have learned in the previous video. In the previous video, suppose it is a triangle ABC, right angle at B. It is the angle theta and this angle phi. A and C both are acute angles, and then in the previous video we have learned that sine A or sine theta is equal to, according to this, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि the side which is opposite to the angle which we are concerned is the perpendicular. Clear? So sin theta or sin A is equal to perpendicular. It is denoted by P, it is B and it is H. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, P upon H, that is P, that is BC upon AC. Clear? Cos A is equal to cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and the base is AB upon hypotenuse AC. Tan A is equal to tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, that is BC upon AB. Cot A is equal to cot theta is equal to B upon P is equal to, or we can say 1 upon tan theta is equal to B upon P is equal to AB upon BC. This also can be written as sin theta upon cos theta, and it is also written as cos theta upon sin theta. And sec A is equal to sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta is equal to cos theta, that is AB upon AC, or H upon B, it is AC upon AB. And cosec theta, cosec A is equal to cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta is equal to H upon P is equal to AC upon BC. Clear? But if we are talking about this angle C, अगर हम इस एंगल C की बात करते हैं तो for that angle C, this AB will be the perpendicular. Note it down. For angle C, this AB will be the perpendicular, and the adjacent side of this angle C, that is BC, is the base. Clear? And this will be the hypotenuse. I am making another triangle here. It is C, it is A and it is B. This angle phi. For this angle, this is the perpendicular, it is the base and it is hypotenuse. So what we write here, we can write sin C is equal to, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, ओके, sin C is equal to sin phi is equal to, now sin phi is equal to, again formula वही है, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, but perpendicular, what is perpendicular here? Here AB is the perpendicular and hypotenuse is AC, so AB upon AC. See the difference, here sin phi is equal to AB upon AC and here sin theta is equal to BC upon AC. समझ आ रहा है? Okay. Now cos C is equal to cos phi is equal to, and the cos phi is equal to or cos theta, what is the value of cos? That is base upon hypotenuse. Here the base is BC, so we will write BC upon hypotenuse AC. Clear? Tan C is equal to, we can write tan phi, and tan phi also written as sin phi upon cos phi. And sin phi upon cos phi, that means if we divide sin phi by cos phi, that is AB upon AC divided by BC upon AC, so what we'll get? AC and AC will be cancelled and AB upon BC. Clear? Next one is cot C, that is cot phi. Cot phi is the reciprocal of tan, that is 1 upon tan phi, and 1 upon tan phi can be written as cos phi upon sin phi, and it is equal to BC upon AB. Clear? Next one is sec C, that is secant of C. It is sec phi is equal to 1 upon cos phi, and cos phi was BC upon AC, so 1 upon BC upon AC, that means AC upon BC. Clear? Now last one is cosec C is equal to cosec phi is equal to 1 upon sin phi is equal to, and the sin phi is 1 upon this 1 upon AB upon AC, that means AC upon AB. Clear, students? So these are the difference when we find sin A and sin C, sin of A and according to angle A and according to angle C. Clear? So pause the video to be noted down.